Hello students, now today we discuss the homogeneous differential equation. Now the homogeneous differential equation is a part of a differential equation. In such type of equation, we first check the function be a homogeneous, and then after we substitute y equal to vx in the condition of dy by dx, otherwise dx upon dy, otherwise in dx upon dy we substitute x is equal to vy. Now we start the exercise and the question x dy minus y dx equal to under root x square plus y square dx, x square plus y square dx. Now first we write dy by dx. After the simplification of this equation, show x dy equal to under root x square plus y square dx plus y dx, and y plus under root x square plus y square dx, and write the equation in such format: dy by dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x, y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Now we check and find the differential equation. If first we check the fxy equal to lambda y equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x, then we check the function is a homogeneous function, then we substitute y equal to lambda y and x is equal to lambda x. So this equation f lambda x lambda y equal to lambda y plus under root lambda square x square plus lambda square y square upon lambda x, and equal to lambda common y plus under root x square plus y square upon lambda x. So the equation is lambda 0 f xy. Such type of equation become a homogeneous equation. This differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Now solve the homogeneous differential equation. We substitute y equal to vx in the function dy by dx. Now dy by dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Clear? Now solve it. Now solve it. Let y equal to vx and differentiate this substitution with respect to x, and dy upon dx equal to v into 1 plus x dv by dx, and we can write this v plus x dv by dx. After that, we substitute the value dy by dx in v plus x dv by dx equal to vx plus under root x square plus v square x square upon x, and it can be written as v plus x dv by dx equal to x v plus under root 1 plus v square upon x, that's equal to v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus under root 1 plus v square, under root 1 plus v square, and x dv by dx is equal to v plus under root 1 plus v square minus d. This v cancel, and x dv upon dx equal to under root 1 plus v square. So we can write this equation in the format of dv upon under root 1 plus v square equal to dx upon x, equal to dx upon x. Now we integrate both sides. We integrate both sides of this equation. Now after the integration, we can write this dv upon under root 1 plus v square equal to dx upon x. After the integration of both sides, we get the result log v plus under root 1 plus v square equal to log x plus log c. Now it can be written as log v plus under root 1 plus v square equal to log xc, and v plus under root 1 plus v square equal to xc. So put the value of v equal to y upon x plus under root 1 plus y square upon x square equal to xc, and y upon x plus x square plus y square upon x under root equal to xc, and y plus under root x square plus y square is equal to x square c. This is the required result of the differential equation x dy minus y dx equal to under root x square plus y square dx. Clear? Next question. Y dash question y dash equal to x plus y upon 2. This equation can be written as dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus y upon x. First you check the differential equation in a homogeneous function. You can write fxy is equal to 1 plus y upon x and f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda x plus lambda y upon lambda x, and it can be written lambda x plus y upon lambda and lambda power 0 fxy. Such type of equation or function is a homogeneous function. If the function be homogeneous, then you solve the homogeneous function by substituting the y equal to vx in the cases of dy by dx. If the cases be dx upon dy, then you write x is equal to vy. But here the dy by dx, so in such cases y equal to vx. Now the function is a homogeneous function f lambda x lambda y equal to lambda power 0 fxy. Let y equal to vx and differentiate dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv by dx, and substitute v plus x dv by dx is equal to x plus vx upon x and v plus x dv upon dx is equal to x 1 plus v upon x cancel, and v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v, and x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v minus v. We cancel, and x dv by dx is equal to 1 and dv equal to dx upon x. Integrate both sides and we get v equal to log x plus c, and v equal to y upon x is equal to log x plus c. Log x is equal to log c and log xc. So therefore xc is equal to e power y by x. This is the solution of the given differential equation. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Clear?